Anybody know what a wormhole is? A wormhole. Albert Einstein, wormhole. A wormhole, also known as the Einstein-Rosen bridge, is a theoretical method of folding space and time so that you can connect two places together. Here's you. Here's you, right now. Here's what you want. Fuck, it's so far away. So far away. 5 years to 50 million, 5 years to 5 million, 5 years to 10 million, whatever it is. So far away. 5 years to 250 million, it's far away. And it's 4 times greater than anything I've ever done in a sprint. I don't mean 250 million in sales. I mean 250 million in income. That's way far away right now. But the good news is, be a fucking time traveler. The only way you get to that far off place quickly is a wormhole. And a wormhole is compressing time and getting compounding results. You got to make a time machine, you have to be a time traveler. When you leave here, you're like, all right, I'm a fucking time traveler. How did you do? When somebody asks you in 1,000 days, how did you do? You're like, I'm a time traveler. Found a wormhole. Boop. Time traveler. How did you do in 3 years what takes people a lifetime to never do? Time traveler. Because it's hard to explain that you worked 100 hours a week and you sacrificed everything and you compressed time and you got compounded results. That's hard to explain to people. Just tell them you're a fucking time traveler. Say, I built a time machine, I found the wormhole, and I got from here to here like that. And it's possible. It's hard. It's hard. You know what's the hardest? This part right here. This part sucks. You're telling me I'm working 100 hours and I'm getting the same result as the asshole doing 40? Yep. There's no shortcut. There's only repetition and compression. There's no shortcut. There's no shortcut to this 10,000. There's only repetition, 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 repetition. Compressed time, repetition, repetition, repetition. There's no shortcut. What sucks is that first year, 2, where you're putting in 100, getting the same result as everyone else doing 40. And everyone around you, they start questioning your judgment. They start questioning your decisions. They start questioning your love. They start questioning your alliance and allegiance, your friendship. They start questioning your intelligence. And they're going to have lots of conversations about you to each other around behind your back. I can't believe it's not even fucking working. What an idiot. Why is he doing this? And they're going to have all that shit that they're saying. Because they don't understand the next 2 years look like this. You have to have faith in this. You have to. And if you look back and you didn't get the result that you wanted, you have to ask yourself, did I really sacrifice everything? Did I really? Or did I talk about sacrificing everything? Did I think about did I really work 80, 90, 100 hours a week for 3 years? Did I really? You have to ask yourself that. And if you said, yes, I did, then you're going to say, am I proud of myself? Fuck yeah, I'm proud of myself. Look at the network of people I built. Look at the business contacts I created. Look at the capacity, bandwidth, skill set that you have now. And you just reapply it. You had the wrong strategy. You reapply it all over. You take a breath. You go, go find a far off land and cry and lick your wounds and bandage yourself up and, And then when you're ready, you come out again and you make another run. Yeah. Life is a marathon of sprints.